Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system. Install git, curl, unzip, and an open JDK because Flutter needs version Java for Android builds. Next, download the Flutter SDK archive and extract it to a stable location like /opt/flutter or a development folder in your home directory so permissions stay predictable. Once extracted, update your shell profile to add flutter/bin to path and source it. This makes the Flutter command available immediately. Doing this now prevents path and permission issues. You run Flutter Doctor to reveal missing components and to get a clear checklist. This is how you prioritize fixes. Then install Android Studio and the Android SDK, set Android Home or Android SDK root to the SDK path, and add platform tools to path so a DB works. Make sure to accept Android SDK licenses via Flutter Doctor Android licenses. Also install UDEV rules and add your user to the plugdev group so physical devices are detected without root, which avoids frustrating permission errors. You finish by creating a quick app with Flutter Create My App and then run Flutter Run to verify a device or emulator launches. Install Flutter and Dart plugins in VS Code or Android Studio for code completion and debugging, and configure device launch settings. Once done, test hot reload to confirm the dev loop. If something fails, rerun Flutter Doctor, confirm Flutter/bin and platform tools are in path, verify Android SDK root, and review UDEV rules. These checks resolve most common Linux setup problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.